Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to share my Achaari Gobi recipe with you, and these are the ingredients that I use. So I've got my washed and cut cauliflower cut into small to medium pieces. I have oil, fresh garlic, fresh ginger. I've got cumin seeds, some mustard seeds, salt, red pepper, chili, turmeric powder, green chili for garnishing, cilantro for garnishing, and I've got black seeds or kalonji for garnishing as well. So these are the ingredients that I use to cook my Achaari Gobi. Let's do the next step. Okay, so what I've done so far is I've added some oil into the pot and the cumin seed. So I waited until the cumin seed starts cooking. Now I'm going to add fresh garlic and ginger and cook these two together with cumin seeds in this oil until they're lightly brown, and then after that I'll add rest of the ingredients and a little bit of water, and then add the cauliflower. So why don't I just wait till this gets a little golden brown, and I'll show you the color before adding rest of the ingredients. Okay, so the garlic and ginger mix is ready. There's a nice light brown color. Next, I'm gonna add mustard seeds. So they sort of crackle in the oil and give nice flavor before I add the salt, pepper, and rest of the stuff. So let's add salt, pepper, and turmeric powder. Mix it a little bit. And because there is nothing else in it, I don't want this masala to stick to the pan, so I'm going to add a little bit water. Okay. That's how it looks. Next, let's add the cauliflower in it. As I said, I cut it into small to medium sized pieces. It's already been washed, so it's ready to go in this pot. I will now cook this on low heat. I'll put it on steam, cover the pot for at least 5 to 10 minutes at least, and then check and see if the cauliflower is cooked. If it needs a little bit more time, then we'll let that happen, but usually it should be it's ready within like 10 to 15 minutes. So this, I'm just going to put the cover on and let this cook for 10 minutes on low heat. But make sure to check if you need to add a little bit more water, because you don't want the cauliflower to stick to the pot. So this has been cooking for about 15 minutes. It looks ready. All the cauliflower actually is nice and tender. It's not really overcooked. So I'm going to turn the stove off and put my garnishing on top, so you can see that is cooked. You can see the black seeds and the mustard seeds and everything else is there. So let's do the garnishing part next. So there you have it. Achaari Gobi is ready. Look at that, I've garnished it with black seeds, some green chili, and some cilantro. Okay, so that's how it looks.